What's up, guys? We are in front of our 2022 Volkswagen Atlas, and this is my oldest son. He's just turning 18 now, and he just finished high school. So congratulations and happy birthday. And he's going to demonstrate something. What are we going to do?
So we're going to change both the air filter in the engine and the cabin filter.
So we got engine air filter, cabin air filter here. And the reason why is because I just went to the dealer for a recall, and they quoted me over $200, about $200 to change this. And I'm like, yeah, it's okay. I just went ahead and went to Amazon instead, picked these guys up, and he's gonna show you how to install it. So we'll be right back. All right, so first thing we're gonna do,
Pop open the hood.
so we're gonna do the hood, or the pop open the hood and do the intake, air intake first. And there's always a locking release here. So if you have a 22 or not even a 20, a Volkswagen Atlas, they have this. You see this latch right here?
Yes, yeah, I
Make sure
saw
you
it.
push this latch, and then it'll release it from here to get out. So your intake
It's right here.
is right here,
Oh, I'll have to use some.
and
I need
it
to remove some
uses
spurs.
a Torx head
Yeah.
here. Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3. Whoops, hit my head. 4. Or does that come out to 5, 6, 7. I count 7. Go ahead and loosen these out. I don't know if they come off, so I'm just gonna put my hand here just in case they pop off, so we don't lose it. Because sometimes you lose these things and they just. Is it coming all the way out? Or they just stop?
Oh, it just stopped here.
Okay, that's good. So what happens is that you can't lose them, they just get loose, and you can feel that looseness. So
Yeah, it just
we're
stopped.
gonna rinse and repeat, and we'll be right back. They're all loose, and like I said, these can't come off.
And now it's
and
gonna.
now it's loose, and now Jesse's gonna flip them open.
All right, look at
Watch
that.
out for this. This isn't attached.
So I gotta be careful
So
because this
now
thing's attached.
we kind of move. Let's go ahead and open that out.
This air filter. Oh my goodness! Look at all this.
That's how dirty it is.
at all
Check it
that.
out.
Look at that.
So this is like a pre-filter, and
All
then there's
dirty.
the filter. So I guess it's time. It's got 38,000 miles, so it's about time to go
It's all
get
dirty.
this out. And then I don't know if they cleaned it. I think
there's still
it's
some-
got a little crud, so we're gonna take the shop vac and vacuum a little bit out of here. It doesn't look too bad, but we're gonna vacuum out. So vacuum and get down to the bottom if you can. Get the corner.
I can see all the bottom. I can see some on the crack right here. Oh, that's dirt.
Did you see that dust come out?
Yeah, I saw some come out. Yep, I see it coming out. Yep, yep. Look at all
Yeah.
that dust.
There you go. So that's why we're gonna change it. All right, so check it out. New, not new. Big difference. So now we're gonna go ahead and install it, Jesse. That's not gonna hurt you.
So look, for now,
So
all
it's
that's out. So now we're
filter down
gonna
because the intake's coming from the front, going up in here, going through the engine
There we go.
intake, and then coming through here.
So now the filter.
So it fits nice and perfect, right?
Wait, I don't know if it hasn't pushed in or.
No, that's it. That's it, right? Yeah, you could kind of snug it in.
I just have to snug it in, and now
Yeah.
it's like that. Yep, yep.
Yeah, and then you just put the cap on, line it up.
Now I can.
Now he's just gonna
Now
screw
I
this
just gotta
in.
rescrew it.
Just make it snug. You don't have to like torque it.
Now I just gotta rescrew everything. And after that, it should be it.
Then we're gonna hit the intake, the cabin intake, I should
this
say.
is
all good to go. Next thing we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the cabin filter.
So I feel like we don't need this no more.
We don't need that tool. That's correct. So this is another one. I actually used this before. So we've used this before, and now, or I've used it. It says change every 15,000 miles. It's worked great. Never had any issues with it. So time to get in here, and I'll show him how to get this out.
So
Let's
the first
open
thing
that.
we have to do is to push this down, like that. And then there's 2 more tabs up here.
So you're loosening the shock that opens.
And
Now
now I
you're
gotta.
releasing the glove compartment to drop down.
All right, there we go.
So you
It's okay. I can just stick it back in. It's not broken. I can just stick.
Yeah, it gets a little bit weird and it pops like that.
Yep, I can just stick it back in.
Okay, so now
now-
you see the housing's right there, or the door for the housing right there. So then what do you do?
So loose. So there's 3 tabs. 1, 2, and 3. Loosen it all down. There we go. Now do it like that and lift it. There we go. It's out.
So just see the tabs. So here's the way it looks, right? You
Yeah.
see the bottom teeth right here? You see the 3 tabs? 1, 2, 3.
It was hard, but at
So
least
you
got
kind
it
of have
open.
to flex it down,
Yeah.
and that's where it gets a little bit hard. It's very
Now I'm gonna
stiff.
pull it out slowly.
You don't have to do that slow.
There we go. I'm gonna pull it out. There's a lot, so.
Yeah, I picked up crud.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Look
So
at
it's picked up crud.
Oh.
Just pull out the other one so you can see the difference.
Okay.
Okay. So that's the difference right there. Really dirty to brand new. So let's go and put it back in.
So now I gotta point it so it has to be down.
Yeah.
So it was like this, so it has to be downwards.
It has to be which position?
This position where the white paper is, it said.
Okay.
So it has to be in the down, where it says airflow, down. With the arrow. So it's the same thing. Just carefully align the filter. As you can see, just push it in. And there we go.
Let's make sure it fits all the way back.
Yep.
Here.
And now,
So remember the bottom goes first and you
Yeah.
just push in.
so
Is
now,
it that way or the other way?
so it goes downward,
Which way is the face of it?
like this.
You sure?
It has to be like, no, it
That
has to be
way,
like
'cause
this.
you gotta get your fingers in there later, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it has to be like this, where the tab's sticking out. So now, to stick it in, just put it in tilted, like that, and then after that, you just push it.
You hear three stuck tabs, right? Pop. That's it, right?
Yeah.
It won't come out.
It won't. Yep, I heard
Okay.
all click.
So you already fixed the shock.
Yep.
Okay, then now what?
Now after that, now I just gotta reinstall the glove compartment. Make sure the shock's here.
Could pull a little bit.
Not too much.
So down.
There we go. Down
Up.
and up.
So now you see it snap on the top. Now you open it.
Good.
It's all good. That's it.
Perfect.
So what do you say?
Thanks for watching. And subscribe to our channel. And make sure to like our videos and make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get more to make sure you get notification for future videos. And peace out.
Peace out. Happy birthday to you. Happy graduation.